Hello, and welcome to the Town of Shrewsbury Unipay Utility Billing Instructional video. In this video, we will review the steps to properly process a water, sewer, stormwater bill through the town's online payment portal. The online payment portal may be accessed on the town's home website page. The town's website can be located at www.shrewsburyma.gov. Once on the website, please click the Pay Online icon. After clicking the online payment icon on the town's website, a Unipay page will open in a second window. To pay a water, sewer, and stormwater bill, please click the white plus mark. A water, sewer drop-down bar will appear. Please click on this bar. At this point, a notice informing the user over the automatic payment option will appear. This option can be completed towards the end of bill payment if desired. At this time, this notice can be closed by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner. Bills will be populated by account number. First, enter the account number and then click the Continue button. Please note, if you do not know your account number, it may be located on the top right-hand side of your utility bill as seen in this image. After entering the account number, the screen will display account information such as name, address, account number, bill number, and current amount due. This bill may be viewed in detail by first clicking View Bill. This is an image of a sample bill that would populate in a second window if the View Bill option was clicked. Returning back to the Unipay screen, first enter the pay amount and then click Add to Cart. We are not viewing the cart for this particular payment, but please note, if you are interested in setting up automatic payments, you may do so by clicking the Set up Automatic Payments icon and following the prompts. If you are ready to proceed with this payment, please click the Checkout button. You will be prompted next to review all the billing information. When completed, click the Continue button. You will next be prompted to review the payment methods. You can use the drop-down bar to select a saved checking account, or you may enter new account information with the Manage Payment Methods. When finished, click the Proceed to Checkout button. You will be asked again to review the payment information for this particular transaction. When ready, click the Proceed button. The next prompt is a review and confirmation of the payment. If everything appears to be in order, you may submit the payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. This is the final confirmation prompt before you receive your payment confirmation. Click Confirm when ready. You will receive a confirmation payment page. This may be retained for your records.